we're going to be assembling some more parts that I printed off and just bring them up to what we had last time, which was the back drive area. So, as I mentioned in a previous video, the larger plates, like this, that are going to be full size pretty soon, have 3 areas for pins inside them. So we're just going to install those right now using 3/16 inch nylon rod cut to like 1 inch lengths. So you get in there with those and you take your matching piece, ensure that it's clear, start lining them up. Alright, now we've got one together. You can see here the seam in the middle. We're going to make another one. What I encountered before with the last one was I did not cut the dowels to size properly, so there were points where it would come together and then bottom out, and that's what was causing the problems. So I'm going to be more aware of that this time as I assemble this side. Alright, so we've got those in. We'll take the back side of the skirt, plug these two together. And together it goes. Those, I'm going to work on putting the bottom of the hull together. Again, you just take your dowels, put them in. We'll plug the 3 together and see what happens. There it goes. Now I've got to find a good way to put the final pressure on. Seems better. And let's check it. Oh, what a surprise, it fits together now. Alright, unfortunately, it fits together at a slight angle here. So we'll go back and probably epoxy that together. But in the meantime, it looks great. And we can take side skirt, put it on, take another side skirt, put it on. Wow, look at that. Almost starting to look like a tank. Take our front, put that on. We've also got nifty little things that can go on the front. There. And here. Oh, that's pretty cool. In the back, I recently printed off the drum. I can slam back here. And actually I'm going to cement that in place. There's basically no reason to have it off right now. apply graceful amounts of pressure. Ugh. Beautiful. I've also included the access hatches for the motors that would be on the real tank, but they're not going to be useful on this model because the motors here are just like way too big and the holes are too small. Exciting though. Okay. Wow. That's pretty big. And so, wow. Next step is going to be installing the idler wheels, as well as putting huge amounts of suspension on this. I've already got it modeled up, but I haven't had the time to print out the individual pieces. But those will be installed on this model, and then after that comes crazy amounts of making tracks. I've already made a couple, as you've seen before. This stuff. And so this is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 links. There are supposed to be 52 links on each side of the mouse. I'm hoping that it will come out to be just about that with the way that I've modeled it. But if you're interested in the tank and seeing it done and possibly building one yourself someday, subscribe and watch the videos that are going to come. Thank you.